In this video, we'll explore the intriguing intersection between STEM OPT and becoming a startup co-founder. This guide aims to answer common questions such as, can you become a co-founder and buy equity while on STEM OPT? Can housing compensation be part of your deal? Stay tuned as we cover these essential topics. Here's what we will cover in this video. Becoming a co-founder on STEM OPT, understanding housing compensation, counting as employment, payroll and tax considerations, key takeaways, and a crucial disclaimer. You can potentially become a co-founder on STEM OPT, but your STEM OPT requires you to work for an employer, meaning you cannot be self-employed. If Cofounding with a U.S. citizen, check with your DSO to see if this arrangement qualifies. Compensation doesn't always have to be in cash, hence you can consider housing. However, you cannot be paid only in the form of housing. Moreover, housing provided as part of your compensation is taxable. Consult with an accountant to understand the tax implications. If structured correctly, this arrangement should qualify as employment and reset your unemployment clock under STEM OPT. Ensure the company complies with all employment requirements to make this feasible. Consult with legal and financial advisors to ensure you meet all applicable regulations. First, the startup must establish a clear employer-employee relationship where you, as the STEM OPT holder, are an employee. Second, understand how equity, housing, and any other benefits are being taxed. Seeking professional advice on payroll and tax structures will be essential. Finally, ensure the company follows all relevant employment laws and regulations. Let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Can housing be a form of compensation for STEM OPT holders? Your options are yes, in any amount, yes, but not as the sole form of compensation, no, it cannot be part of compensation, and only if the company is a startup. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is yes, but not as the sole form of compensation. Housing can be part of your compensation package, but it cannot be your only form of compensation. To recap, always seek expert advice in areas like immigration and taxes. Be sure to structure your employment to comply with all necessary regulations, and stay informed about ongoing changes to immigration and tax laws. These are key steps to successfully co-found a startup on STEM OPT. Before we end, here's an important disclaimer. The information provided in this video is intended for general guidance only and should not be considered as legal advice. Always consult with qualified professionals for personalized advice. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time.